Does your mother put food coloring in curry?
No, no,
What the fuck you talking about?
Cause she said she
Who puts food coloring in curry?
I could probably try it if you want.
No, but listen to me. We deciphering something here for make fucking sense. Make it make sense to me. Where you come up with the idea that coloring is going curry?
Well, if I make curry and it's supposed to look brown,
my brother, the base content, which is turmeric or curry powder for curry, if you ain't got enough green, you put more curry.
Well, you won't want
See, anytime them move me with the East Indian mango them, you circle 399. You circle 399, but if you own, I can't see you. Yeah, that you just circle 399 and pick as much you want. Fuck them up, and nobody now go to see a dog. You see it? Yeah, that night you circle East Indian tree, man, watch it. We night at me there, no boy. Now forward out to the next half hour. Now fuck up that one.
Okay, thanks then, honey.
Would I take another plate? Molo. Eh? It rice, fresh and it crab salt.
Yeah.
So but me would have take another plate and bring with me along.
But it not taste good, but you not take on plate home.
Yeah.
Problems you don't have, man. Problems you don't have. Plain time. Can we drink some rum a little more? And do whatever the night says.
I got show you something. Remember when I grew up, tin mackerel there. See there? Pumpkin big in it, but he alright. Anyway. Remember when I grew up, one bumbuckler tin mackerel we I cook, you see? With a whole heap of tomato and throw a whole heap of water in it and rinse out it. For about 6 hours. Look. A blood clot 4 tin mackerel I cook for 4 hours. But the bumbuckler, life and time change your fuck. Could a 4 tin mackerel when I grow up, a 1 tin mackerel for more than how much I eat this right now. Times change, master. Yes, I give God thanks and praise. You know what I mean? Me reach the pass. Look, me not pass the rest of bumbuckler. But anyway, give God thanks and praise.
Well, right now, some boy now have no use. But me sure me have use. This is done by me.